Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio Graphic channel. For today I have this project that is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will show you how to design and apply this image. You can download that image in the link of the description. I also designed the drawings that we need for this project. You can download with my ebook. And remember to subscribe here to the channel. Leave me a like button for this project that help me to create more projects for you. Let's start this project, creating here a new design and apply some canvas. When you download the link in the description, you can select from your computer, here, select the image, apply, click OK. Here on the canvas, you can click with the right button and click Calibrate. Now we have the measurements here. The height is 159.9 millimeters. Click here and here and type the measurement. Now the image is calibrated from the measurements. Select the same plane and start to create a rectangle. Create the rectangle here and make some adjustments. Start to apply the measurement, the height. And the width is 76.7 millimeters. Adjust here above the image. Okay. Now we have our first sketch. Extrude. And the thickness is 8.25 millimeters. 8.25 millimeters. Here. We need to apply some fillets here on the edge. Here, here, and here. Now adjust for 12 millimeters. Now we have applied all these three measurements here. And now you can start to apply the measurements for the cameras. I will repeat the same process. Click here to create a new sketch on the top face. Create a new rectangle here. Reposition over here the design. Okay. Here and here. Finish the sketch. E for extrude, that will be 1.8 millimeters. Return here, and we need to apply some more fillets. This edge here be 10 millimeters. Okay. Now you can create the cameras. Repeat the process, select the face, create a new sketch, and now we can apply these circles here, here, and here. Here. Make that as vertical constraint. Okay, here and here. Now we can extrude that with 1.5 millimeters. Here it's 1.5 millimeters. We turn the sketch on high. E for extrude, this tube is 1 millimeter. Hide the sketch, repeat the process, click here. You can use the P for project and create here on the middle as a concentric the cameras, and that will be extruded as 0.5 millimeters here. Okay, now we can start to apply some fillets. Click on fillet. That edge will be 1.8 millimeters. That secondary here, here, and here. This is 0.8 millimeters. This edge will be 1, and that one here, here, and here will be 1 millimeter. And apply on that edge here, 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 and here a 1 millimeter. For the edge for the smartphone, we can apply a fillet of 0.5 millimeters. Now we have the main part done and can continue to apply the front. In this case, we can hide this image and start to create a new sketch. E for project, select that face, and click OK. And for that, extrude 0.6 millimeters. Finish the sketch. E for extrude, minus 0.6, and remove a little bit of the material. Now you can use that new feature to create the glass. Click here on this top face. P for project. On this bottom face, click OK. E for extrude. In this case will be 0.5 millimeters. But we need to create a new component. 0.5 millimeters and create here a new component. This new component will be the glass. Return, Ctrl Z, return the position. For this moment, we can hide this component and create the buttons here on the sides. For that, we can apply the same image, import from the PC, the same image, and click OK. But that time, we need to apply on that vertical and click OK. Now we need to do the same process to calibrate the image. Right button, calibrate. Here we have the measurement. Repeat the process for that step. It will be the same measurement here and click OK. Now we can move, edit, and start to move here, position these buttons on the right place. Okay, finish the sketch. Here on the right side, create a new sketch and start to create the buttons. Just click a slot, overhaul slot, here, here, create the buttons, create the buttons here, here to here, will be the same measurements here, here, and here. Okay, finish the sketch. Apply an extrude with 1 millimeter, just 1 millimeter here. And for the same process, we can edit, move this image here, click OK, turn the view, create a new sketch on the left side, and create a slot with overhaul here and here. Finish the sketch. E for extrude, 1 millimeter. We can hide this image. Create here on the bottom part of the project. P for project. The USB-C to connect the charger. That is a 3.2 millimeters with 8.6 slot overhaul. And here, apply the measurements, 8.6. And the wide is 3.2 millimeters. P for project, this line here and here. Now you can create a relation with, hold the shift button and click here to create a constraint. And now you can create a line here on the middle, a vertical one, change for construction here, and apply that point with the middle, hold the shift with the middle of the horizontal line. Finish the sketch, extrude with 5 millimeters and apply a chamfer of 0.5 millimeters. E for extrude, minus 5 millimeters, and apply a chamfer with 0.5 millimeters. Now we need to apply the logo here from the iPhone. In this case, we can apply a decal. Select in the download file, you have the logo Apple. Select the face. Turn the image. Scale a little bit. And reposition here and finish the sketch. Now we can create from that button here a new component. Now we need to apply the image from the screen. We can select here the decal, select on your computer, select the face, and adjust the size. In this case, we need to unhide this option, the change. Now we can work properly and adjust the size. Here and here. Finish the sketch. Now we have our image in this project. Return with the glass, rename here and here. Now we can apply some materials and colors. In this case, I will apply this red aluminum. here, and for the glass you can apply here some color. Now we can make here a joint, a rigid from the middle of that face, and adjust here a 0.1 millimeter. Now we have a good surface here, and our project is done. And here, if you want, you can apply some colors for the camera. Select here the face option and start to paint as black. Here, here, and here. Now the project is done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Think about to subscribe here to the channel. Give me a like button if you like this project, and see you in the next video.